Hello, Holy One. Hello, hello. Welcome to this space. Welcome to this space. Just allow the space. Just allow your breath. Just allow you. Yes! Just take a nice deep breath in, nice and slow. Yane! Yaokoko aye, yanasea, taototo aye. Yes, yes, Holy One. Just allow your breath. Just allow the space. Yes, just allow you. You are light in form. You are consciousness having a now. You are an eternal soul within the human experience. Allow your breath. Yes. Allow your divine to open. Yes. Allow that remembrance. Yes. To flood in. Allow you, Holy One. Yerosoeya tane iana tawakeya. Kaboa ye iana koa. Just allow your breath. This is Acasma quantum energy. This is spaces of ourselves as what we would see our future coming through the quantum field to align and assist us. We assist ourselves, yes, as we ascend, as we remember, as we awaken, and as we allow the flow of our wholeness into our now. Allow your breath. Allow you. Just allow the space. Yane! Yane kiakuko. Beautiful energy moving. Your energy moving through your form. Your consciousness anchoring in your roots. Your crown expanding, your third eye opening, your throat center opening, flowing, the authenticity of you. Be you, Holy One. Blessings upon you, Holy One. Blessings.